Oh no no. I think it's still loading. No, still loading.
No, don't worry, it's done. Go to your browser.
Okay.
Don't mind that thing. I don't know why this one, once it's done, your noise will go constant. So go to your browser and enter the URL that is there. That is localhost.
Please, have you started the recording?
Yes, I've started it. I can always add that part again. Log out. So that is the Metabase. It's about this. Let's get started. So just fill in whatever I want to fill in.
It's composing.
Yeah, just say it, but it's not really important. You can put in anything you want.
Now composing. Mm,
You can even use Node.js. At least 60 characters.
don't know what.
Anything at all. You can write a bit of you can click a bit of both and continue with sample data. Okay, finish. Take me to Metabase. Okay. So towards your left, on the left panel you can see getting started, collections and data. That's data where there's database. Click on database. Click on add a database. So database type up. Click on it. So over here we're supposed to see DocDB, but as it comes now, there's no DocDB inside. So go and check that driver that we're downloading if it has finished downloading. That's our DocDB driver for this Metabase.
Which driver? Okay,
Go to
okay, 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 okay. I remember now.
the thing we're downloading.
This is
And
it. This is
yeah,
it.
so move this folder. Move it. Don't open it.
Move it to where?
Move it to that Metabase folder. So it's inside plugins. Move it inside plugins. Paste. Now go back, go to your terminal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, shut down this one just on its total, and then run it again. Run that previous script. Run.
Yes.
Yes. can go and check the, it should have loaded. So you can go and check the browser.
No, I have so many tabs open. Why? This is it.
You can just refresh this your page. So now let's check it. Click on DocDB. DocDB. So that is correctly set up. Try just set up it. So display name, give your DocDB a boot name. Database file. So that your DocDB database file, go and copy the path and paste it. You can just copy it from here.
That the entire folder.
Not the folder, just the DocDB file itself. Just open DocDB, open your
Okay, 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 okay. For VS Code.
yeah. Just copy path. DocDB. DocDB. See it down. Where are you going to now?
Hold on, I'm coming. I'm looking for DocDB. I'm not saying it.
It's here now. I can see it.
Hold on now. Okay, this one.
That's your database.
More. I was looking for it.
Yeah, down, please. So just scroll down, scroll down, save. Database. What's the name?
The process cannot access the file because it's being used. So because my DocDB is open somewhere else. I think that is why it's showing this error. I think I need to. Abi?
All these things, if you're not using them, you can just disconnect.
This is not the meeting that we are in now, Abi. Just let me close it. Okay, let me see if we can actually.
Time out.
Time out. I have to refresh and try again, Abi.
Try refresh. Volume capacity. No, laptop. Just one. Let's scroll up. Scroll up. Remove all the seats. Remove all the seats. No, down.
This one.
Yeah,
This
remove.
one.
Yes, remove all this one. That mother document, remove them. Those things here. You see mother document up.
Okay, this one. Okay,
Yeah,
I should just remove the.
remove them.
Then I have to remove this engineering too.
Remove it. Save. Let's see. So syncing database. Blah blah blah. So now I'm browse data. Browse data up. Towards your left. So see your model, right? Your transform data. So at this point now, whoever is using this model to create their visualization, they will mostly use the max data. That is the main data. Top data. So Metabase on its own takes a while to get used to. That is why I'm not going to go too into that how to start building it. It's just something you can get a hang of over time. You can even practice it. But it's actually very simple and straightforward.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Ibra, you are there.
Right at left.
So that's uh right. So everything that we did here is like a complete pipeline. A complete pipeline
Yeah,
that
because this is the last partner is the visualization.
is the visualization, whoever is doing analysis or whatever. So we just this is not a let's say production ready pipeline. It is our sources are just CSV files, not data warehouse environment or something. But this is just the whole process, the entire process A to Z. So as at this point in time, you can literally go and start documenting at least even a little documentation that will be shared or not shared, whichever one you use. So you can share it there. Let me show you. I did a bit of visualization on my own end, at least just to display it,
Mm.
just to show what the end users are seeing. So let me share my own
Spin.
screen.
Oh, sorry. I was still in my screen. Just hold on. I need to arrange this my just give me a second. I want to arrange this my I have so many food tabs open. Let me arrange them and see the ones I don't need. The ones I don't need, let me take it. This place here. So having multiple let me do this once again. From here. Yeah, I can see your screen now.
Okay. Another process
Maybe I have to check a task manager and see.
Yeah, if I want to, if I want to check it, I don't know when. So let's open it. So let me start editing.
Hmm.
What's making noise?
My background.
Uh,
That, that should be fun. The active person. How about now? Where is it again?
right, it has gone down.
Oh, this is okay.
Oh God, something is wrong. No, it's not just continue. Must I restart my system before anything that is going on in the background will clear.
Okay.
So let's continue. Can I share my screen?
Come on, let me write this thing down. So that local host, that site that you sent is for HTTP for
That the local host is just the port that Metabase runs on, right? If you've not done all those web developments when it comes to mobile phones, it's always very challenging to understand how these things work. But just like say all these all these browser all these things that are running on your browser, like DuckDB, MetaBase, then your DB2 docs, they use a port. So it's usually localhost slash one number, localhost slash 3000, localhost slash 2000 or something. So that is the host that Metabase uses, localhost 3000. Usually if you run it, the one that is run is supposed to update it automatically. I don't know why Metabase is wrong. So the problem with my phone now is that it's like another process introducing that page, but I don't know which process it is.
okay. No, no, no. So I can share my screen again. Abi?
Yeah. Okay. So I guess there's not even much to do today. Maybe by the time that next class, I'm going to show you other activities and stuff stuff that can be done because most of everything I've done
Mm-hmm.
about this one. So the major thing now is this so far the picture try to divide so that it will help. When I mean documentation, I mean creating project. Like set.
Yes.
Let me show you my own documentation. So this is the project now. If you want to see it, you can
Are you
see.
sharing your screen?
Okay, I'm sharing my screen.
You're not sharing your screen.
I'm not sharing my screen. I thought I was sharing my screen. Let me share my screen so I'll give you an example of what I'm showing. So these are the projects that we just did. DBT projects using
Okay.
this data set. So this is how my documentation is. So let it just click there on what's what. So this is what the dashboard is supposed to look like.
Looks like the metabase.
Yes, this is what it will look like. Um, obviously this was just random things I put out there, nothing too specific since I don't know much. Not that I don't know much about dashboard or BI development, but I don't really like spending time on that part. So this is just a general idea of documentation. Documentation is usually done in this readme.md. I told you my readme.md
Mm.
has everything inside. If you don't connect your no problem. So to make this readme.md file, to make it easily editable, because if you want to edit the md file now, you have to start making like a markdown code, which we call it hash double hash every time. So to make it easy for you to go and download an extension for it. The extension is where's the extension? Extension markdown editor.
I'm coming now. Let me download it now. What is wrong with this thing now? So I'll go to extension and download
Just search for markdown editor. Anyone. Just look for desktop ones. Markdown yeah, you can even download it from
yeah, the one that has,
anyone.
okay, the
Anyone.
first one I be
I don't know which one is on your own. So anyone that is there, this one now, the
both
one
of
that
them is on my own.
which of them, this one or this one? The
The
one
one
you
you
are
are the one you are on, and the first one.
and you can download any either of them, right? This one I just downloaded this one. This one now has 15,000 downloads. This one has about 178,000. So this one might even be better, which I'll test out later. But just download the easier one since I already know about this one. You can just download this one. So the moment you download it and install it, you just go to your README file. So this README file here, has it downloaded?
Mm. It's installing.
Okay. So So documentation is just, a nice way of packaging your project. Even if even if it's just a beginner project, let it at least look good for whoever might stumble across it. So in my own now, at least you can get a brief idea. So this is the documentation I did for the projects that we just did. This is the one I just did now for probably the next projects that we'll do. So this is data transformation with DBT, project overview, what I implemented. See, almost similar, but let's be detailed, right? And extra things.
Okay, I've opened it, but my readme is just there's nothing really there. There's nothing serious there.
So what you will do is you will right click on your README file. Right click on
Mm-hmm.
README file. Go to edit. Go to open with.
Mm.
Click on open with. You'll see you'll see Markdown WYSI.
Yes.
You see this Markdown editor. Then you click on it, and then
Yeah.
it will open your README file with using that editor. So whether nothing is there or not, at least you'll be able to see these things that I can easily use. This is just like Microsoft Word or something similar
Yes. Like I can type now.
I can type easily. So,
Okay. Okay. That's nice. Nice.
so that is for your documentation. What else should I specify? What else should I specify? For this sorry,
So I need to read it. I'll need to read it up myself.
I can maybe once in a while if there's time, because this one if I don't use it, just extra work. It's more stuff. So then after your documentation, one important thing is that at least also start learning to use LinkedIn.
Mm.
Learn to use LinkedIn and share it. Just share what you learned and just general. At least let people know something is going on. You're not just doing nothing and all those kind of
Yeah.
things. So yeah, after you're ready to go ahead and share the documentation. Then
Okay.
for DBT, because DBT is the main thing that we are learning. For DBT, make sure that you start using DBT. There's also DBT Sharp, which I believe you will be familiar with, because that one is very interesting as well. When it comes to DBT, you can perform DBT.
Okay. Wow.
So funny how DBT started out for building projects. That's all.
Yeah, that's the first thing that's the first thing I need to do.
Let's go for Markets. First, practice.
Mm. Oh, wow.
What else should I say? So let me know if you have any question.
Okay. No, I don't have any question. That that the pathway, that study plan that you sent, that shared document.
Yes.
I'll send you one of my email accounts so you can add it up for me. So I can be accessing the I can be accessing that link using it. You know, it's was shared privately now. So if I use another email, I won't be able to access it. I'll share the email with you.
No problem. So just remember to practice always good. Try to, if you want to understand this better, you can still read more. There's a lot of materials like I said.
Right. Yeah. Even from okay.
Yeah, in this their website, there's a lot of materials to learn.
Yeah. That DBT this thing. From next week now, I'll start taking those courses from them.
Honestly,
I had a big
I've never come across a product that have so much materials on it. Unlike DBT, like no other one. It's BigQuery. Your eye will tear before you see. What else? Is it Postgres? Is it SQL? Right. This one is from them themselves, so it's very helpful.
I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll start. I need to take it more seriously, so I'll start.
So
At least my knowledge has increased. At
very
least
good.
somebody is talking about analytics engineering now. I will not be looking at the person to see if the person is saying rubbish again.
You have a good
Mhm.
idea, right? So
Yeah.
one more thing is when you're see what I did here now. In this documentation now, I said data transformation with DBT, but this is not completely correct. Right? We are not just
Mm.
transforming data with DBT. We are building a transformation pipeline.
Good pipeline.
Yes. So if I say data transformation with DBT, if someone sees this, it will be like when someone is seeing Python
You only use DBT to do the transformation.
do the transformation, but rather we are building a pipeline. We are building a
Line.
product itself that data passes through and gets transformed. Right. So it's not about the data itself; it's about the pipeline, the product, the pipeline which it will lead to. All right.
Yeah.
So I will even get this adjusted. Right. So that is just know that that is the core function of DBT. So it's very it's just a few steps straightforward.
Mm. Come on. Thank you so much.
So let's start tomorrow.
Mm.
Let's continue tomorrow. Like
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
let's start fresh with fresh
Okay.
information. All right.
Okay. Oh, Anna. Have a great night rest.
Yeah.
All right.